There is one scenario in which you might not be able to recover files. So let's talk about how to recover deleted files of Google Drive. So the file may be deleted by you or you are not sure about it, whether you have deleted or you are unable to find it. It's simple to recover it if you have deleted it. You have to open the Google Drive app. As you can see the logo of app. After opening it, you have to click on the menu in the upper left corner of the screen. In this menu you will see the bin option. You have to click it. Here you will find the deleted file. You can recover it by clicking on the restore option. Now your file has been restored. You can see that file in my drive. Now the second scenario is that you are not sure whether you have deleted it or you are unable to find it. Now you have to check the activity panel. In the activity panel, you have to click the file option in the lower right corner of the screen, and then you have to click on the my drive option. Here you can see the file. If you are unable to see the file here, try an advanced search. Now you have to type the name of the file in the search bar. For example, let's search PixArt file. So after typing the name, you can see the file is present. Click on the file and here it is. If still you are unable to find the file you are searching, then you have to type these search phrases. You have to search for exact phrase. Type your phrase in between the quotation marks. Search for one or another. Tacos or nachos. Search by excluding a word, for example, water but not lakes. Search for file owner, for example, files owned by dad. So you can type owner colon dad at the rate gmail.com. Next, you can use the phrase like someone has shared files with you, for example, from colon mum at the rate gmail.com. If you have shared files, then you can type the phrase to colon mum at the rate gmail.com. For start items, you can type is colon start. For deleted items, you can type is dot binned. Search by file type, for example, type colon spreadsheet. You can search by time frame, before or after. You can also search by title. So these are the phrases you can try in an advanced search. You can also use the phrase app. Just open the drive on your computer and use these phrases. The other option to find your file is search chips. Open Google app. Below the search bar you will find these search chips. First is type, in which you can select the type of the file. For example, documents, spreadsheets, presentations, forms, photos and images, PDFs, videos, shortcuts, folders, and so on. Next search chip is people, in which you can write the name of the person or email address. Third chip is with the name of modified, in which you can select the time when the file is created. Today, last 7 days, last 30 days, this year, last year, or you can select the custom date. If you're still unable to find the file you are searching for, then the last thing you can do is consider these cases. If the file created by you and you are unable to find it, it means that the file may be an orphan file. You can find an orphan file by typing in search bar is colon unorganized space owner colon me. If someone else has created the file, then you can contact that person to restore or share that file with you again. If it was in a folder that someone else created, in case of deletion of that folder, you won't find that folder in your drive anymore. Last thing you can do is contact with Google Drive help. Link is given below in description. file that has been deleted in past 25 days can be recovered by contacting with Google Drive help. Conclusion is that you can recover the files if you have created that file, you have uploaded that file on Google Drive, or you accepted the ownership of the file from someone. If you have deleted your Google account, you might not be able to recover your files.